put your lame ass seatbelt on. You know that.
Nigga, we in the hood. The fuck I like wearing a seatbelt? Condom head looking at. Come on.
SRT show today we crash out 485 shit, you know what I'm saying? That's what my name is saying though. And oh shit, man, you about to be cutting up in the hood though, no cap. Shit, let's get straight to it though, no cap. Put this shit in sport and do this shit. Oh shit. Stop sign, I didn't even see that bitch. Motherfucking crash in the hood. Oh, look at Pops. Pop's like, what the fuck? Shit. Bust it left or right? I'm gonna let you pick.
Nigga, we gonna hit it right.
All right. Oh shit, bro! Let's get it. Coming up in the hood. Oh shit. That bitch got the mask on.
Oh shit.
I mean, I got the mask on. She had on her bonnet. What am I saying?
Do it again, do it again. Oh, that was sweet.
Damn, I couldn't do it. I had no room.
Oh, shit.
I had no room.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Should we go down there or is that a dead end?
Go ahead, go down.
Definitely ain't gonna run to do that shit down here, but I'll give you a hard pull though.
Oh, shit.
Coming up in the trenches, my baby.
Oh, yeah. Shit.
Dog, put your lame ass seatbelt on. You know that.
Nigga, we in the hood. The fuck I like wearing a seatbelt? Condom head looking at. Come on.
Oh shit. About to blow the scat motor. Damn, my fucking, oh my god, this road got my shit moving everywhere.
Oh my god, go straight. Nigga, he got a line more. He ain't got no plate.
Hey, never mind. We can't say no names in this video. We tried to know all about the hood. Shit.
Oh shit, there goes a spot where we can hoop.
Yeah, in the hood.
Make a left, make a left.
Yeah, damn.
Well,
I was looking at them fucking speed bumps. I'm like, hell no.
Right, where is the speed? Oh!
Like, bro, we almost hit the biggest pothole in the fucking world, no cap.
I'm gonna show the streets and shit.
Yeah, show the streets.
Show the streets and
My shit lagging and shit. Bro, you see this? My wheel just be moving by itself sometimes. Like, that shit crazy.
Oh, shit.
I can tell they been doing donuts over here.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeah.
We got the ice cream truck. We ain't going down there.
Hit this street right here. Hit this bitch.
Dog got 4Gs on it, whatever the fuck that is. Damn.
4G autos.
We're about to hit this left. Hold on, this dude on a fucking bike. Which way is he gonna go?
Where that nigga at?
Alright, I'm gonna wait for him. I'm about to spin this shit. Y'all, we is live in the hood of fucking Detroit, no cap.
Oh, yeah.
We kinda.
OG looking at you looking like Forrest Whitaker.
Dog.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Stop sign, stop sign.
Nigga, I know your ass and now just fucking catch that stop sign, dog.
Hey man, we is in Mexico, by the way. We is not in Detroit. We is in Mexico. This is Mexico, Detroit.
Dumbass, you just said Detroit.
We in the Detroit version of GTA Mexico. So, you know, this is all performed in a controlled environment. I wasn't trying to shit out. Ooh, shit. Yeah, this bitch lagging for sure.
Man, this new GTA hard as hell.
Oh God, bro.
This bitch for
GTA
real.
5. Point.
Nigga, this GTA 7. Fuck you talking about? Oh.
I think I just hit a bird.
You got bad luck for 10 years.
Oh, this is a deep ass hood, damn. It's like we just generating fucking blocks and shit. I'm not doing it right here, them fucking trash cans. I'm gonna smack some shit up. I'm gonna ball some shit up for sure. Okay. Oh,
They got another load.
You gotta go slow,
You got everybody and their mama looking at you.
You in the trenches.
Blue motherfucker.
You in the trenches, bro.
Wow, that was weak.
That was weak as hell, no cap.
When you got an audience, you better turn up. Alright, I gotta put the seatbelt outside here.
Yeah, that shit is loud as hell. And over here staying hard as fuck. Make sure y'all subscribe, bro. We doing this for your entertainment, bro. No cap, we went to the trenches. Straight trenches. With the shiesty on.
With the shiesty. What the fuck is... Oh.
Bro, I thought that was a lawnmower.
Oh, wow, that's a nigga car. That bitch like on terror.
Did you hear that shit? No, that was... Bro, I thought that was a lawnmower. No cap, bro. I promise y'all I thought that was a lawnmower.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck. We didn't get on the wrong block.
This nigga right here.
Oh, fuck. Alright, y'all, we back. We had some technical difficulties, but you know, we back. Fucking big ass trailer is in our way. Like, what the fuck is you doing, bro?
What the fuck is you doing, nigga?
Oh, God.
Away, nigga.
We finna go down here.
One of the street bump streets.
Oh, my God.
It's the nice part of Detroit.
Oh, yeah, we really in the hood. Put the camera on them.
Look at the car.
Put the camera on them. Put the camera on them. You missed it.
Damn.
You're supposed to put the camera on them. They literally on top of the car, y'all. In the trenches, bro. They literally playing on top of somebody's car.
They bad as hell.
It's the real trenches, bro.
Oh shit. Ooh.
We just gonna have to go over these speed bumps. We ain't got no time to stop. They pointing at that 300 though. That 300 hard to sell.
That's a regular X.
I'm surprised they just let that shit sit outside in the hood. That's crazy.
Oh shit, my man.
Oh yeah, we out. Oh shit. We out for sure.
Oh. Shit, go straight.
Oh yeah, I can tell it's literally donut spots in the fucking middle of the street. They be doing donuts on this motherfucker.
Cause it's like, you know, suburban hood.
Oh shit, I almost lost that bitch.
Whoa.
No cat, I almost lost that hoe.
I guess you could hit down this motherfucker right here. You can hit the.
We about to go straight.
Go straight. Cause I ain't. Oh shit.
What a damn torque. Damn.
Oh!
I had to slow down. We would have been airborne.
Damn, I'm trying to get some outside footage of this motherfucker.
There you go. Never mind.
You said what?
Nothing. Oh, this ain't nothing. Damn, look, they got the hood Little Caesars too. That shit crazy. They got the hood Little
Somebody
Caesars.
don't comment like, nigga, you was in mode. Oh yeah, almost hit the flowers in this motherfucker.
Oh shit, it's fucking speed, bro.
Shit. Wait, this seatbelt just choked me. I ain't gonna lie. Shit. I think the freeway down here somewhere.
Shit.
Gotta hit that motherfucker.
Damn, bro. I just fucked up. That shit was embarrassing. No cat. Shit, bro.
That's the nice part over here and shit.
That's the nice part of the hood.
Yeah. This nigga, oh.
Like my grandma's street. No cash.
Damn, I'm trying to see if you should hit a left.
Heard them burbles?
Oh shit.
Shit farting.
That shit's nice.
Oh, we really in a nice part of the hood, bro. How did we get out the bad? We supposed to stay in the bad part and cut up.
Oh, you want to go to the bad part?
Damn, see,
so
they got, I can't even push it down here because they got their dogs and shit. Let me up shift, bro.
Bump.
See, whenever I want to be respectful, I up shift. All right, y'all, camera died. About to get like a couple more minutes. Cutting up. We're gonna have to end the video because we've been cutting up for too long, my guys. This shit was just at 130. Look at that shit now. No, that shit was at 140, bro. Look at that shit. Now you see that shit? The shit literally at 115. Like, bro, it's like I just didn't even put gas in this bitch. I put the 50 bottle in here, and now that shit back at 0, bro.
Damn.
Yeah, bro, we was really in a nice part of the trench. We're not even in the trenches no more. We in the burbs. Like, how the fuck we go to the trenches to the burbs?
You went RDP.
No, we still in the trenches. They got speed bumps. Shit. Oh my god, I'm fucking choking.
Nigga, you good?
Alright, I'm gonna give y'all one more pull, no cap, and then we gotta wrap this video up though. Y'all ready? Oh shit! Almost fucking, bro, I almost fucking crashed this bitch. We almost bossed some shit up for sure. Is that a cop car? Oh yes, y'all see that? Oh, that is a cop car. Oh shit, yeah, we out. Okay. Alright, y'all, look. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, bro. You know, you can follow me on Instagram at SRT.show. Either than that, man. Oh yeah, we gotta go to another cop car right there too. Oh yeah, we gotta get out the trenches, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all boys later, man. Peace.
Peace.